guys, Goldbloom Treasures here. This is the making of a fourth video today. I'm currently in the church parking lot. I've seen some things near the edge of the road and I want to be really careful, so I'm going to try to figure out where it's located at so then I can go pick it up. I think I saw like an orange birdhouse on the other side, but over here as I was trying to turn around I saw something else. So, go over this way. Try to stay away from the edge of the road. What is that? Like a glass bowl? Heavy traffic area. I don't know if it's plastic. Oh, that's glass. I think. Not picking it all up, y'all. No. Not all of it. Nope. Down this way. Driving over the line already. So that turns out looks like a piece of car. Yep, a piece of car. I'm gonna go around the corner here and I'm going for the birdhouse. Maybe I should go this way because it's near the other entrance thing and I really could drive over there, but then that wouldn't make much for a video, would it? So, I'm at the church where Eddie's funeral, the can man's funeral, was at. So, I only found a piece of chopped up can here. So, my other camera is down to 2%, so I'm on my phone camera because I had it charged in my my car charging area, so it's at 77%. And what is that? Piece of can. Right here in the good old grass. And there's another can way over here. Hopefully people aren't going to keep throwing cans in the churchyard. That's ridiculous. Oh, this looks like the top I picked up first of that can. That's kind of weird how just the top got sheared off. Alright, y'all. Hedge of protection around me while I try to get this thing. Oh, there's a guy sitting over there. I didn't even know that. Alright, hopefully a hedge of protection. Got hedge of protection around me from cars and people. Alright. Let's see here. Hopefully I don't break that glass bowl. So, yeah. Unfortunately, that's the direction I'm going in, is right where that guy is at. Okay. We'll find out. Trying to stay right behind him, practically. Ooh, I'm gonna break that. I think so. Oh. I got here. Might be one of the steel ones, I think. I'm gonna stick it in my pocket. So, I don't know, I've seen this thing the other day and I forgot all about it. But seeing it again today, I decided to pull in and check it out. Very kind of cool if it is a birdhouse. As long as I don't get run over trying to get it. Cars are stopped. And we got ourselves a pumpkin. Oh. And a can. Ooh, whoops, there's stuff in there. Alright, let's get away from the edge of the road. Well, it was clean, but so, not a birdhouse. It's a jack-o'-lantern. I had the Headless Horseman's head. I think that's what I'll name this video. There you go. Couple of cans. Headless Horseman's head. I wonder if I could turn that into a birdhouse, though. Probably could, know me. Oh. I don't know what it is, but it's metal. Probably axe or something. Alright. I missed. And stay over there. Too close to the road, and it's seriously busy. You can see people going off the road right here. Pieces of cars and stuff. The other guy's over there by my car. Maybe he went away because I came over here. Possible. Anything is possible. Man, they really went off the road here. Oh. Alright. Cons everywhere. Broken glass. This is a church. There shouldn't be any broken glass in here. Churchyard. Guess y'all guys can't see what I'm doing too well. Sorry, I'm picking up broken pieces of glass here around this tree. And something else, don't know. Okay then, I got a lot of work to do and put out these videos tonight if I'm gonna get them out tonight. Of course, I'm supposed to go home and watch a movie with my mom, so I can do the movies afterwards, or I don't know, if I'm fast enough I might can get them out and get them going so that they can be uploading to the internet. Okay then, well, the other one, I'm gonna have to charge the phone camera first to get it before I can even upload them. I'm gonna charge it a little bit on my way home, but I am almost home already anyhow. $1. Oh yeah, it's Wednesday night. The church people are here. Okay, made it. Okay. I'm glad it didn't take too long because I gotta go home. Sorry, I'll put you guys right there. Maybe not. Gotta go home and get my cooking started. Sorry, y'all are looking at the dash. Get my milk in the fridge that I bought at the store. So yeah, it's starting to cool off now. It's getting late. It's now, let's see what it is. Yeah, 74 degrees. Alright, traffic is hot and heavy all over the place. And it's hard to get out here. Alright, well, I have to do my best, huh? Maybe I should go out the way where I found the pumpkin head. Alright, catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.